making a new, you obviously know what I'm making because you saw me saw it in half. Well, I didn't saw it in half because that's not an half, is it? It's nowhere near a half, it's about that much. So, this is my new crucible. Plan being, 2 hookies to lift. Normal, everyday, standard, doodly. But on the side, I was going to put that, like that. Or like that, you know, like that. And then on the handle, so I lift it, like that, swing it over, and then that should locate in there, like that. So it's just a matter of alright, I just, because on my other one you obviously seen it because you thought, oh, the nut is back on again. Wilma, the nut is on again. On the other one, I've done a locator, and you've got to screw it on, and you're holding it like this, and you're trying to screw it like that. It's not very clever. That's what I'm trying to say. So I thought, lift, swing, pting, pull. All together now. Lift, swing, pting, pull. Can you hear you? We need 2 doodlies either side. Now the thing is, I know it's not 10 mil, but it's not far off. You can never have enough thickness. You're talking health and safety here. If this comes off and hits you, you're going to know all about it. Don't come crying to me. Let's start soldering it now. Sit down and have the rest of the day off, they all shouted, but as you know, I've just come from work and it's actually getting dark, but we don't mind. Ooh, telling you, it's not too warm out there. Right, I got actually a piece of metal bar. Right, keep them for a rainy day. So I still want to weld it from the inside because I think it's just prettier. Okay, so we want 2 pieces. It's got to go in a pot, remember. So just say we'll have an inch sticking out of there like that. So inch and that's what, 8 mil, inch and 8 mil-ish. One. Right. Then I want it right at the top like that. Let's just do one there. Now when I file on a pretense, that fits in there, and I can get a good, decent, jolly good looking weld from inside. Let's have it there, Perscanolis. There's a bit more skill involved using the old 1/8 inch discs, I can tell you, compared to the them nice thin splitting discs you can buy these days. So we need that welded in there like that, alright boss? Not the hot one. Clamp on, jet clamp it. And we'll just do a tack. Right, let's try it before we rush around shouting and screaming. Look what I did, man. Where's my other bell ringer? There it is. I'd be happy with that, ma'am. Thank you very much. Right, lay it down there and weld like you're a real welder for a change. Clean it out first. Now you want it to be a pretty good weld because this is a molten steel, as you obviously well know. Yes, it was. It was getting hot. I think that's good. I think that's passable. There you go. I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. That's not going to go any damn where too soon. Yeah, now only I could do that. You want to see what I done? Well, there's the welding. There's the welding gun. I always up on there, and then I leans forward and burns a hole in me. Oh, putting games on now, lads. Don't matter about what it looks like inside. I've got no interest whatsoever. So we got to cut a slot in there now. So far, we seem to know what we're talking about. Right, will that go over there? Just like that, see? Lift. Over. So we want it to go about that far over because we want that eyeball lower, about middle, just above middle. That's about that big. That is 5.5. So if we make it 6, it gives us about a quarter inch. Gives us quarter inch play. See, yeah, Jimmy. And we're going to tack it on like that. Cut these legs off, you know what I mean? They won't be on there forever. So that's got to go up there and then swing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Right, that's where it's going. As long as we can get down, hook it on, and then come back up, we're alright. Right. Rob's happy with that. Right, let me just put a tack on there, folks. Did I get it? Yeah, yes you did. I go a bit overboard on the welding side of it, because I think it needs it, you know what I mean? Don't be scared. Which is obviously down, cross, lift it up, swing it back, and then we're going to put this firing mechanism on there somehow, which fires into that hole there, which will be welded on there. That's you what that is, that handle, and we should be good to go. It's just a matter of getting used to it, isn't it? That's it. 2 pegs on there, and now you've got your eye on there. Try and do it from this distance for you, alright? So, if this is cooled down a bit, when it's in the furnace or whatever you want to call that out there, foundry, furnace, I don't know. We're going to drop that into the furn or foundry, tilt it over. That should be triggered out like that. That trigger stays out locked. Right, and then I can just up, tip, back on, turn, up, off. If anything, because I got a bit of space that I've done it. if anything, if I push it that way, when I untrigger, it won't go up. You've got to come toward. It might be a good thing, it might not be a good thing. So that's it, my friends. That's it. Bit of an handle on the bottom now. I can help tip it. It's not heavy, so it should be fine. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see if I can do a great thing for the thumbnail. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I gotta go and watch that video.